Hi, my name is Erik Thrane. I'm a signature studio artist here at the studio in Los Angeles. Alright, so today on my model Erica, we are going to be doing a bleach and tone, which is very exciting. She's actually from Sweden, so she's a very nice blonde model. Today I'm going to be using Blondorplex, which is our new addition to the Blondor family, which has a Plex built in. I'm going to be starting off with a lower developer just so that way I have time to kind of work through the back, and then as I work into the front, I'll be increasing my developer to make sure that everything lifts evenly. So once I lift her, then I'm going to think about what I'm going to do as far as my toner. To pre-lighten her, I used Blondorplex plus 20 volume, applied it to the regrowth and let it process for 35 minutes. Then I pre-toned her with Illumina 10-stroke 8-1 with 2 inches of 5-stroke 8-1 plus 2 parts pastel developer. After I pre-toned, I went through and foiled diagonal backward sections along the parietal ridge, 1 blue formula. I utilized Coleston Perfect 10-stroke 8 plus 2 inches of 2-stroke 8. And then I utilized Color Touch 9-stroke 1/6 plus 6 volume developer and glazed everything to give it a nice, cohesive, effortless feel. You can check me out on Instagram at erik.wella.